Hey everyone, so in this video I will guide you how you can use opening balance functionality on Transact. So first of all, let me explain what exactly is opening balance. So let's take an example. You have onboarded on Transact and earlier you were using some other platform like Tally, Zoho, there can be a number of platforms, right? And you shifted in mid or let's take an example, while shifting you did had some of the invoices which are unpaid from last year of your buyer or supplier. So you want to bring them on Transact. How you can do it? Because on Transact, backdating documents and backdated invoices option is not available as per the government regulation and e-invoice regulation. There is a functionality of opening balance through which you can do the same. How? So let us first of all go to all modules and click on payments. Once you will come in payments, here is on your right hand side, you will see an option of other action. Click on this, click on opening balance. Now, this is your opening balance upload option. I can download the template. First of all, download template for buyers, suppliers. So whatever the buyer and supplier are saved, they will come in the list, or else you can pick them from the buyer and supplier module as well. So I have already created one of the file. Let me show that to you. So I have created one of the file for my supplier. So this is my file. I have kept two companies. These are just dummy and test companies. I have mentioned, please note that positive symbol is for receivable and negative symbol is for payable. I have mentioned payment date, document date, and I have mentioned OP balance. So these are two of the invoices amount which are pending from this supplier. So I simply mentioned it and I mentioned minus as per the payable also. Payment date, document date, these all are mandatory fields. Please, while uploading the opening balance, do not keep any of the field blank. I will save this particular file. If suppose I had four different invoices from just test company. So what I can do, I can simply put it below that. I can copy the test company and paste it here and again put the entry. I can bifurcate on invoice to invoice level as well. Now let's go ahead and upload the same. So let me go back here. What I will do, I will click on this and this is my file. Select it and upload it. Now click on submit file. Once I click on submit file, please check it provided me a result. Here is the success. Now let us check on system, is it uploaded or not? Let's go back. Now please check. Here it is already uploaded. In payable, this entry is here, and in receivable, 8,000 entry is here. I can go ahead and lock the payment whenever the payment will come, and accordingly my finance and accounts will be managed. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in order to manage your finance and accounts. Have a good day ahead.